Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet always and ride safe. Today we are back again with an interesting update on next generation classic 350 bike. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. If you are here after seeing the thumbnail, then this update is for you. After a long wait, next generation Royal Enfield Classic 350 will be available at showrooms soon. It is expected that the new Classic 350 will continue to delight users, just like its predecessors. Even though there have been new rivals like Honda CB350, Jawa, and Benelli Imperiale 400, Classic 350 continues to lead with a comfortable margin. Next generation Classic 350 will have to take on new rivals, including upcoming retro-styled products from Suzuki and Yamaha. As per the sources, the launch date of the next generation Classic 350 is confirmed and set to launch on August 31, 2021. Ahead of that, unofficial bookings have opened at select dealerships for a payment of 10 rupees to 20k, depending on the dealer. Official bookings have not opened yet. Next generation Classic 350 continues with signature retro elements such as round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank and turn indicators, and broad rear fenders. The motorcycle offers a comfortable riding stance with its mid-set footpegs and ergonomically shaped handlebar. The seats are expected to offer superior comfort. Next generation Classic 350 will be available in both single-seat and dual-seat variants. Next generation Classic 350 will get new color options. Based on the theme, the motorcycle could sport a blacked-out look or have chrome-heavy styling. Parts that qualify for chrome finish include the headlamp cowl, turn indicators, handlebar, front and rear suspension, rims, engine, and exhaust. Exact details will vary based on the variant and color. In other updates, next generation Classic 350 gets a semi-digital instrument console. It combines an analog speedometer and a digital display for odometer and fuel indicator. The bike has also been equipped with a Tripper navigation system, which displays navigational arrows to the destination. It works when paired with the user's smartphone via Bluetooth. In terms of performance and ride quality, next generation Classic 350 will be far superior in comparison to its predecessor. The motorcycle utilizes an entirely new engine and J1D platform. These were first introduced with Meteor 350, which was launched in November last year. The new platform and engine will be used for upcoming new/next gen 350 cubic centimeters products as well. The new 349 cubic centimeters, air oil cooled, the long-stroke motor is capable of generating 20.2 bhp of max power at 6,100 rpm and 27 nanometers of peak torque at 4,000 rpm. It is mated to a 5-speed constant mesh transmission. The engine is known for its smooth power delivery and adequate amount of bottom-end torque. With the use of a counterbalance shaft, engine vibrations have been reduced significantly. The new platform for Classic 350 comprises a twin down-tube spine frame integrated with telescopic forks at the front and twin-tube emulsion rear shock absorbers. The motorcycle is expected to get an option of disc drum, with single-channel ABS, or disc brakes at both ends, with dual-channel ABS. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.